All right, Language Explorer. So let's have a look at this Saturday's phrasal verb. So get ahead. Ahead, yeah. To be successful in what you're doing. Yeah, successful. So let's try and get a trophy. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. Or physically in front of someone else or something else. To physically be ahead. So I want to get ahead. I want to get ahead of the crowd. Yeah. I am always getting ahead of schedule. Yeah, I want to achieve certain things by a certain date, but I'm ahead of schedule. I want to achieve this on a Monday, but I already achieved it on a Friday. Yeah. He is getting ahead of us in the race. Yeah. I will get ahead and have a look. I will go ahead. I will get ahead of you and have a look. What's ahead? Ahead of the path. He is getting ahead. Getting ahead in the race. He's in first place. She is getting ahead of you and will walk in front. She's getting ahead of me. She's ahead. They will have to think hard if they want to get ahead. Yes. If they want to get ahead, then they need to do something different so they can stand out more. Yeah. How can I get ahead in life? How can I get ahead in life? Well, there are loads. There are plenty of ways you can get ahead. Yeah. How cool is that? He wanted to get ahead. See, he wanted to get ahead. Yeah. He wanted to get ahead, so he worked hard. Yeah. Makes sense. I'm getting ahead in life. Yes. So day by day, I am slowly getting ahead in life. Yeah. I'm making things better and improving things. There are more chances to get ahead in life. Yeah, to be ahead of everyone else. To succeed in things I want to achieve. Succeed in life and have things that I want to achieve. How cool is that? With these plans, I will get ahead. I will get and stay ahead. Yeah. I like my plans. I think I can get ahead with them. Yeah. With these plans, I will get ahead in life. I have a lot of things to do. Yeah. A lot of videos to record, things to write, a lot of videos to record. And all these things will add together. All these things will add together and I can get ahead. Yeah. Get ahead in life, in business. In business. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Yeah. All these things will help me get ahead. All these books, ideas, philosophies, all this technology, all this innovation, all this creativity will help me get ahead. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Yeah. So get ahead. Can you use it in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me when you search for English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. You can also find me on Udemy when you search for my name, Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.